All right, another busy week for markets, and it's going to be even busier next week. We're going to start overseas with Sir Elon Musk, scheduled to visit, well, the country everybody wants to visit these days, and that's India.
Did you just give him a title, sir?
I did, yeah,
wow.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, well, Elon Musk, yeah, he's going to be meeting with the president, the prime minister, Narendra Modi, of course, who is running for re-election. And of course, he's expected to announce Tesla plans to open a factory in India.
All right, well, yeah, exactly. I mean, a growing economy and a huge population.
They get the special magic of Elon Musk.
Everybody goes there. Tim Cook, Elon Musk, everybody's going to be there. We should point out, we're also going to get Tesla earnings next week as well on Tuesday. That's going to be potentially interesting. And we're also going to hear from Sir Jamie Dimon.
I knew you were going to give him a title, yeah. That was expected. Sir Jamie Dimon will be speaking at the Economic Club of New York. Of course, he's prone to talking about a lot of different things, right? Yeah. He's very opinionated. Will share his view on the economy, I'm sure, on banking regulations, and of course on the state of the consumer as well, in the Federal Reserve.
Do you think he's going to talk about when he's going to retire?
5 years, I think that's what he's going to say.
A busy week for earnings. In fact, we get more than 100 S&P companies reporting next week, and a couple big ones on Wednesday, including Boeing.
Yeah, Boeing is expected to, of course, post an operating loss, and the big question is just how much deliveries have declined and what that means for the bottom line. I'm not even sure that the financials matter as much as what the company says in terms of how it's positioning itself.
On that same day, we are going to get Meta earnings, and of course, that really kind of takes us into the meat here, Scarlett, of tech earnings, which are really going to drop hard on Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, big, magnificent 7 earnings coming up. We're going to hear from Microsoft, we're going to hear from Alphabet, we're going to hear from Meta, as you mentioned, Tesla, as well as Intel. So a lot of focus on that AI narrative and how it's playing out, especially with NVIDIA and those AI-tied stocks falling so much today.
And in addition to chewing on that, Scarlett, you're going to have to chew on monetary policy as well as fresh economic data here in the U.S.
Yeah, the Bank of Japan holds its interest rate meeting, its policy meeting. It's seen holding rates steady after cutting it for the first time in 17 years at the last meeting. They will be revising their CPI forecast, and we get PCE here.
We get PCE and the first read on those GDP numbers from the most recent quarter. We'll have full coverage of that all next week right here on The Close.